Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to save your story automatically to your gallery on Instagram. Let's start. At first you have to open your Instagram app. After that, tap on your profile. Then tap on the menu bar. In here, tap on settings. In here, tap on privacy. Once you have done this, you will find this page and then scroll down and try to find out story. After that, tap on the story and then scroll down, and here you guys can find out save story to gallery. You just have to turn it on to save automatically story to your phone's gallery. Tap on here. From now on, if you share a story, that will be automatically saved to your phone's gallery. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.